Alright, this little dehumidifier is the best dehumidifier I've ever had. It is teeny tiny. Here. You can choose your light. Like the green one. You can do timer. So it's got 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. It's got night mode, which makes it quiet. I had it on, sorry, touchscreen. I had it on this. It says to run it for 48 hours before when you first get it. And look at how much water this has already collected in my room. I live in a 130-year-old house. It's very damp. Look at that. It already collected water from my room, and I put it in at 9 o'clock last night, and it is now 7:28 a.m. So in less than 12 hours, it's already gotten, I'd say, at least a quarter to a half a cup of water in there. It's amazing. It's super quiet. It's got a little handle and a filter. It's also got a spot for a hose if you want to connect it up, I would think, in a bathroom or somewhere, and just put the hose in the sink. It's just a rubber silicone hose, but it's super cool, and I highly recommend it.